We literally cannot live without water. It's the vital liquid we all take for granted and sometimes we don't even want to have. Think about it. It lubricates our joints, cushions our brains, fills our muscles, regulates temperature, and much, much more. There's not one bodily process where being hydrated is not involved. Now, believe it or not, sometimes eating or drinking certain foods is the best way to hydrate the body, especially if you know which ones are, without a doubt, the best ones to have. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 special drinks or foods you can have to hydrate your body like a king and make sure your body has everything it needs in times of thirst. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandevard.com. In this channel, as a conventional doctor, treating patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need a line of quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandevard.com and stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share some tips and video links related to this topic. I don't know if you've ever had some real cold coconut water at the beach after being in the sun all day or swimming in the ocean. It is spectacular. That sensation of satisfaction is hard to match with any other liquid when you're thirsty. This is when you realize that keeping hydrated is crucial for health and everyday life. And this is when you want it, actually. Most of the times we tend to take water or hydrating in general for granted. So in today's video, I'll reveal 5 special drinks or foods you can have to hydrate like a king and make sure your body has everything it needs in times of thirst. Number 1, watermelons, cantaloupes, or melons. There's no better group of foods than fruits or vegetables that obviously come with incredible health benefits in every single aspect the human body needs. They obviously shine for many things, but especially for their water content. So for example, watermelon or cantaloupes are very high in water content, which makes them stellar choices if you need to stay hydrated. Watermelon specifically is nearly 92% water, and a cantaloupe or honeydew is similar, close to 90% water content. Now that's not the best part because these fruits contain other ingredients that make them spectacular when there's a lack of other ingredients during dehydration. They obviously contain some sugar, but also potassium, magnesium, zinc, and other minerals that play a vital role in bringing that body up to speed. Think about drinks like Gatorade, for example. Gatorade contains salt, sugar, and water. The only difference between a watermelon and Gatorade, say for example, is that one is natural and the other one is fabricated. Now even better if you decide to store watermelons in a fridge. You crush that thirst in no time. If you need a good quality multivitamin formula that contains and improves dehydration and health overall, look for multivitamin from Fineland at drlandevard.com. Number 2, coconut water. When you're dehydrated, your body needs more than just fluids to regain its balance. I don't know if you knew this, but in some instances, they have to replenish those electrolytes that we have or have been lost through sweat and urine. You see, dehydration is not only about the loss of water. The human body needs electrolytes to function properly. It needs potassium, magnesium, it needs electrolytes and minerals for the body to have those important functions, like for example, fluid balance, keeping your heart beating, or even your organs functioning. Some of the most common are sodium, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, and they have to be contained in these type of hydrating substances. Once again, this is what Gatorade, for example, has. The only downside is that most of the ingredients used are used unnaturally. The best healthy alternative to this part is coconut water. Coconut water is without a doubt the best drink you can have when you're dehydrated. It provides a much needed supply of water and electrolytes and very little carbs. It has sugar that speeds up that process of feeling great all the time. I would say that coconut water is one of the best hydrating formulas nature has to provide us with those nutrients, minerals, and water. Number 3, cold broths or soups. Now, just like coconut water, soups or bone broths deliver a high water content and electrolyte balance at the same time. This combination is key for rehydration. What's even better is how, for example, bone broth or soups contain animal proteins that additionally provide collagen. I mean, what better way to hydrate the entire body by doing something that, in addition to hydrating, can deliver collagen for important healthy joints, beauty, and more. Now, if you're making bone broth at home, keep in mind that cooking it for more than 8 hours increases the calcium and the magnesium content you'll be having. All these minerals are very important for your bones, your muscles, and every single part of the entire body that needs collagen to actually stick together. Now, if you add vegetables, then nothing beats this. I mean, different vegetables also include nutrients like phosphorus, potassium, sodium, you name it. So once again, it's very important to use soups from time to time to make sure that that hydration process has other ingredients and not just water. If you need something effective that contains the best collagen source found in nature or sources found in nature in one simple formula with vitamin C and collagen of every sort, look for Collagen from Finland at drlendevar.com. Number 4, lemon water. With the right ingredients, you can also whip up your own electrolyte infused drink at home. And in my opinion, using lemons, some sugar, maybe some salts, and water is spectacular. Take sports drinks, for example. The only thing they really have is sugar, salt, and a synthetic flavor. Now, if you prepare it at home, it's obviously completely natural and you will not be using things that you don't want to. Sports drinks can be terribly unnatural and the complete opposite of what you can make at home. So try to add lemons, maybe ginger even, lime juice maybe, whatever you want. All these are terribly hydrating and have those benefits as well. By the way, you should also include some sea salt maybe, just a little to make sure that you have every electrolyte you need to make sure that that drink is truly hydrating. Very, very important. If you need something organic and natural that contains every single vitamin C source that is the best to improve that absorption in your body, look for Ultra C1000 from Finland at drlendevar.com. Number 5, smoothies. Another of the best ways to hydrate the human body is done by customizing a drink for you right now at home. Smoothies, for example, are highly customizable. An excellent way to fill yourself up with vitamins, with minerals, or with electrolytes. Everything you need. And the best part is you have everything at home. You have maybe some celery, maybe a fruit or vegetable, anything you want. You can add proteins to that mixture. You can add maybe some berries. You can have a berry smoothie. You can pack it with vitamin C, some salt, some sugar, whatever you want. Make it importantly natural. Make it organic. Make it something that you can use every single day that cannot beat anything that you can probably buy outside. And help out the channel by giving us a thumbs up and sharing with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, leave your comments down below. I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or land an appointment, visit alarm.com and check out these other videos related to stopping and information that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.